Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I thank each and every one of you who subscribed so far, and if you subscribed today, I thank you too. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you quick and easy way to make a scrunchie like this one. This one I used one of my Lush knot wraps, which I love it. It's so silky and soft, and the one I've got in my hair I've just used some jersey material, but I'll explain that all on the way, and I hope you enjoy. And it's such an easy thing to do, simple. All you need is fabric, scissors and glue gun, and that's it. If you're a child going to be making this, please make sure a parent is near you for the glue gun because that gets super hot. Okay, so for a DIY scrunchie you'll need some thicker hairbands. So I've got two of these because I'm going to make two. You'll need some scissors and a tape measure or ruler. You'll need a glue gun and you'll need some fabric. So I've just got a jersey fabric where I've cut up from an old headband. It was actually left over, and this one is a Lush knot wrap. So that's what I'm using for that. You can use any fabric you want. A knot wrap is a really good idea because I love the silkiness of it and the fabric's really nice. And then obviously just cut up old t-shirts, stuff like that. You don't really have to buy anything. And all you need to do is make sure, it's up to you on length really. That was really clever of me to glue the glue. All you need to do, so this one's slightly thinner because of the width of the fabric, but it's completely up to you on how much depth you want. So this one is like 14 centimeters in width by, well, it's 18 inches long, so 46 centimeters. And this one, I've just cut my knot wrap in half basically, so you can see it's much bigger in width. So it is 50 centimeters long by 25 in width. That's all you really need your tape measure for, or whatever you're using. So all you need to do for this is, I'm just trying to get this in screen. All you need for this is to put your headband through and glue it together. This doesn't matter because it's not got a wrong side and a right side. And all you do for this particular thing, on the first thing you thread through, you do down the sides in glue, which you need to put some glue in. Fairly near the edge, but not right near the edge. Obviously be careful because the glue gun does get hot. And then you just glue it down in place. And then it obviously gets more difficult as you go round, but you just glue along the edge. Just do a little bit at a time really. And then just glue it down and continue to the end. And then I'm nearly at the end now, as you can see. So I'm just going to go to the end on the bottom edge, but leave this bit, like the side, open, because I'll show you what to do next. And that's the end. So you can see how quite big that is, so it's up to you on sizing. But now what we're going to do is turn this in so you've got the right sides facing basically, and it looks like you've gone wrong, but you haven't. And obviously you've glued this bit so you know where you've ended it really. Then all you do is make sure that this seamy bit here, which is where you've glued, is on that edge, so like on the ponytail bit basically, but make sure you don't glue the ponytail, the actual band. And then you want to just tuck in the edge to make a seam on both sides and the bottom, and then you just glue that down in place without gluing the ponytail. Does that make sense? And the same the other side, just so it's secure. And then any bit that you don't like the look of, you just need to fix basically. So you can just pull off the excess thing and then wait for that glue bit to dry. And there you go, there's your one, and I'll do the other one now and show you it on in a minute. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you'd like me to film any other videos like this. I've just put the other one in for you in a bun, and I think that looks really cute too. And obviously this is the one I had in at the beginning. This is the one I used with my Lush knot wrap, which is just beautiful, colouring and everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below anything or ideas like this you would like me to DIY. I've got another DIY coming to you within the next 2 weeks anyway. I just need it to be delivered. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.